This is a customized fountain pump control panel designed for our customer in the United States. Built for outdoor applications, this electrical enclosure uses stainless steel construction to provide excellent durability and protection against harsh environments. The customer required a reliable control solution for a 4-horsepower fountain pump operating at 220 volts and 60 Hz. To meet these requirements, we integrated professional electrical components, overload protection, and a timer control system for automatic pump start and stop operation. The timer allows the fountain system to run according to a preset schedule, improving convenience and reducing unnecessary energy consumption. Inside the panel, every component is carefully arranged with clean wiring and professional workmanship to ensure stable and safe operation. From custom design to final assembly, LIMX Electric provides reliable low-voltage control solutions for customers worldwide.